In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to put a chest on a camel in Minecraft. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you can see, I've spawned some camels in creative mode to attempt this, and if you want to try this out, just make sure you have this latest snapshot of Minecraft and you have enabled experimental features. Of course, you can just walk up to a camel and right-click to start riding. Now, if you press your inventory button, which is usually E, you will be able to assign a saddle to the camel, so you will be able to control it after putting the saddle in. As you might notice, there isn't another item slot to maybe put in a chest. So let's try removing the saddle. Of course, this means that we can't control it anymore. And if we try to put the chest in place of the saddle, as you can see, I'm left clicking as you can hear, and nothing is happening. Even with a barrel or another storage items, nothing will happen. If we mount out of the camel, and we might as well try to right click with the chest, but as you can see, we just mount on the camel again. This is because, sadly, as of today, it is currently impossible to put a chest on a camel. We can only hope that Mojang updates this and allows us to put chests in camels so we can have more storage while riding them. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that in the latest snapshot of Minecraft, it's currently not possible to put chests inside camels. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.